guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk to you all about sinking funds. This topic is probably in my top 3 in terms of importance and what helped me the most throughout my journey to financial freedom. So the first thing that helped me was tracking my spending and creating a budget. Okay, so that was number 1. And so I would say sinking funds would be number 2. And I had never heard of the term sinking funds, and I'm not afraid to say that. So let's start with the definition. Right now, I am on Dave Ramsey's website, and let's just take a look at the definition that he has here. A sinking fund is a line item in your monthly budget that helps you set aside a small amount to save for a future expense. You determine how much you save by taking the total amount you need to spend and dividing it by the number of months that you have to save for it. So some examples that he lists is going to be saving for a car, saving for a vacation, and also budgeting for Christmas. All right. And if you want to do more research on sinking funds, please do that. But I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys an app that I use to save for my goals. And that app is SoFi. So SoFi is an online bank that I use, one of several banks that I use. And this particular tool is called Vaults. And here is their website where they just explain briefly what a vault is. And again, it's just a way for you to save for your goals. So let's take a look at the app on my phone, and I want to show you guys exactly what this looks like and how it works. Okay guys, so here is my cell phone. I am going to go into my banking group and I'm going to select the SoFi app. So as I sign in using my Face ID, I want to show you guys the main page. We're just going to be talking about vaults in this video. So on the main page of the apps, you're going to see the money tab at the top, and that is what I am going to select. Once I select the money tab, you can see I only have $6.53. This is not my primary account, but I'm going to click on the word vaults, and I'm going to scroll down and show you guys the different vaults that I have set up. And right now there's about $1,400 in here, and these are my sinking funds. Okay, so I want to show you how you can create a vault. So if you select new vault, which is the plus sign in the top right corner, you're able to select a category that they already have set up for you. So I'm just going to pretend to create a house sinking fund, and it asks how much do you want to put in it. I'm going to just skip that, and you can also set up recurring deposits if you want to, but I'm going to skip that as well just to show you guys what it looks like. So it says I'm all done, and so now my house vault or sinking fund is created. So you can see those at the bottom there. I actually did 2, because I want to show you how to edit and how to delete them. So if I click on the settings gear in the top right corner, I'm able to select close vault at the bottom, and that's going to delete any vault that I no longer want. Or you can edit the vaults that you've created by clicking on the settings gear again in the top right corner, and you can select edit and you can change the name or whatever you want to do there. Okay, so it's as simple as that. That's how you create a vault. All right, so let's go back to the top. Again, I'm going to go through this one more time. I want to show you this time how to transfer. So if you actually wanted to move money into a vault from your checking account or your money account, you need to have money in there. I'm going to just pretend to transfer $5 from my spending balance to my girls' trip, and there it is, successful. And I'm going to select done. So it's very simple to move money into your vaults, and you can move them out of your vaults as well and back into your spending balance. So now I have $1.53 in my for my spending balance, and that's it, you guys. I hope this video helped. Please make sure that you support the channel by subscribing and check out my Etsy shop, because I do have a sinking funds tracker, and if you're interested, go ahead and support. Thanks.